everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in their Boxycharm by Ipsy, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so we have here the December 2023 Boxycharm by Ipsy. This is the first box with the new increased price. This box now is $29.99. And then there is a $1.99 handling fee. So we're just going to call it a $32 box. The box comes with 5 full-size products, and you get to select 3 of the products that are in your box. All right, and for once we have a decent amount of protective packaging. All right, first item, what do we have here? This here is from the Inky List, Selfless by HYRAM. And it's a Niacinamide and Maracujá Daily Barrier Support Moisturizer. Okay, so skincare, I'm fairly certain Ipsy put this in my box. The packaging is lovely. I love this shade of blue. I was going to say, I think it's going to be safety sealed. It is not. All right, so let's do a little test here. It is like a gel type formulation, which I prefer. Does it have a scent? I don't think so. I'm still smelling my hand cream. The hand cream I'm currently going through smells really good and lasts all day. Oh, I did select this. That to me tells me that my choices weren't that spectacular. So this here retails for only $21, which is a good thing if you're buying your own skincare. It's not so good if you're getting a beauty subscription if you want value. This is 50 ml. Okay, so I'm going to flash on screen what my choices were. I don't remember what all my choices were. I just remember that I wasn't super impressed. And I felt like the majority of the brands were never heard of that brand before. So I was slightly disappointed, but after I selected everything, I thought, nah, that was worth $32. All right, next item. We have a brush set, which again, if I'm picking brushes, that means the products weren't that spectacular. All right, so this is from MOTD, which I want to say stands for something of the day. I forget what the M stands for. Let's take a look and see what that retails for. Wow, now this is a good value, but I think it's a little overpriced. This retails for $43. You do get 5 eye brushes. This is what the set looks like. It's a really pretty deep kind of emerald green, which I don't see very often and I think is really nice. The brushes are very soft and they are a nice density, not super dense. I mean, perfect for blending eyeshadow, but sometimes we get brushes that are a little too flimsy. These look nice. And since I chose eye brushes, the choices probably weren't the best. I'm going to list them for anyone who is curious. I think those brushes are nicer than the last few brushes I've selected, but still for me to select brushes over an actual product means everything was a little just because I own 8,000 brushes. I love brushes, don't get me wrong, but when I'm picking them, it's just I already own so many. All right, next product. What do we have here? Something in a very neon green tube. It's from AHAVA, and this is an overnight skin de-stressing cream. I want to say Ipsy put this in my box. Let me look it up on the app. Yes, this was an Ipsy pick for me. It retails for $59 and this is 50 ml. Wow, $59 is a little pricey, but that is why I enjoy getting beauty subscription boxes. All right, next item. Ooh, we have something from CIATÉ London. This here is the Extraordinary Brightening Undereye Perfector, and I have it in the shade Light. It retails for $24 and you get 5.5 grams. All right, yes, this here is a cream product to put underneath your eyes. Oh, wow, I was not expecting it to be safety sealed. Let's take a look. All right, yes, so it's a nice peachy shade. Okay, it's way more squishy, or I don't know how to describe it. The one from Catrice is more balm-like, like you really have to swirl your finger in and the warmth of your finger. This was full on, I don't even know how to describe it. It's very dewy or wet, or I don't know. But that is really nice, and I'm gonna enjoy trying that underneath my eyes. And then if anyone's interested, I might do a side-by-side comparison. Here are the choices for that product. All right, the last product. Ooh, yes. Ipsy did me right this time. This is one of the items they put in my box. This is from MAKIAGE. This is the Color Boss Squad eyeshadow palette in Trendsetter. The packaging for eyeshadows from MAKIAGE is really, really nice. This is metal. It has some weight to it. It also has a mirror, opens all the way up, which is a huge bonus in my book, and has a magnetic closure. This is a beautiful, gorgeous color story, which is right up my alley. There are 2 shimmer shades and 2 matte shades. And here are the swatches. That is beautiful. Holy cow, this eyeshadow quad retails for $48. All right, let me recap everything I got in the December 2023 Boxycharm by Ipsy. I got a 5-piece eye brush set from MOTD Cosmetics, a Daily Barrier Moisturizer from Selfless by HYRAM, an Overnight Skin De-Stressing Cream from AHAVA, the Brightening Under Eye Perfector from CIATÉ London, and the Color Boss Squad eyeshadow palette from MAKIAGE. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I'm much more pleased with my box now than I was when I was making my choices. My choices just were meh, but I think I ended up with some really nice products. Do I need brushes? No. Will I use these brushes? Yes. And the quality is decent. I've been getting beauty subscription boxes for almost 4 years now, and we get a lot of brushes, and some are super cheap, like they feel like they're from AliExpress. These are nicer. The handles are nicer, and the bristles are really soft and dense, so I'm not mad at the brushes. The eyeshadow palette from MAKIAGE retails for $48. It's a beautiful color story. That in and of itself paid for the box, and I was super excited to see that they put that in my box. I use skincare, so these will be used. Are they the best products in the world? No. But have I received worse? Yes, I have. So I'm not mad at them. The one product I'm super excited about is the Under Eye Concealer Perfector Color Correcting. I've been really trying to deal with my under eye circles, so I'm really excited to get that product. All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total value. I think the box value is going to be at least like $140. So I definitely got a really good value for the $32 I spent. If anyone's interested, I did pick up one add-on. I'm really excited because I love the product. I just have never tried this scent before. I picked up this hand cream from DIONIS, I don't know how to pronounce it, which is a goat milk hand cream. The one I mentioned earlier where my hand still smells like pumpkin spice is from this brand, which is a spectacular, if you love a really nice scented, creamy, moisturizing hand cream, it's the type where when you wash your hands like 3, 4, 5 times throughout the day, you can still smell the scent, and it smells spectacular. Now, for a hand cream, this isn't a very interesting scent in my opinion. It is Peppermint Twist. So I've never heard of a hand cream or body cream that's peppermint. Usually that's saved for the lip products. It does come safety sealed, but I'm still super curious. So let's take a sniff and see if we're going to enjoy peppermint. Well, it smells nice. What I don't know is how I'm going to feel about peppermint. on my hands, but the true test will be at work because one of my coworkers stopped by my desk and was like, "What is that scent?" I'm like, "It's my hand cream." So the pumpkin caramel scent just is really good. I'll be curious if they notice or ask like, "Hey, what smells so good like peppermint?" All right, now I want to hear from you. First off, I'm super curious if you've ever tried hand creams from this brand. If not, I highly recommend. And I'm curious what your thoughts were on the products I got in this month's box. Considering I was a little disappointed during choices, overall, I think this was a decent box. But let me know what you thought. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.